Something exciting just happened at Palmera at Wellen Park. The resort amenities are finally open, and now everyone is starting to see why this community has been getting so much attention.
The vibe here feels completely different now. The clubhouse is buzzing, the pool is incredible, the pickleball courts are active, and builders are releasing exciting new floor plans and model homes that buyers have been waiting for. In fact, we've already helped several families secure some of these great quick move-in deals before a lot of people even knew they were available.
So in today's video, we're taking you inside everything happening at Palmera, including a tour of the brand new amenity center, updates on the community's growth and the building progress, what the builders are currently offering, and we'll also be sharing exciting new floor plans that were just released for buyers looking to build or buy in one of the fastest growing communities in all of Wellen Park.
And we'll highlight some of the quick move-in homes that are available for purchase right now so you can move in faster and start living your dream life in Palmera. Stay tuned for all the details.
We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. We specialize in helping families, retirees, and second home buyers relocate and build new construction homes throughout the Wellen Park and Venice areas.
As the top buyer's agent in Wellen Park for years now, I've helped hundreds of buyers through this process, and we work closely with the builders here, and we're proud to be considered one of the most trusted, most recommended, and most highly reviewed real estate agents and lifestyle resource in Wellen Park. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions at all. You can call, text, or email us at any time.
And if you haven't already, download a copy of our free Wellen Park relocation guide that goes into even more detail about all the different communities, the amenities, a comparison sheet, as well as some of the local lifestyle and area information. You can scan the code here on the screen, or you can visit our website, thatfloridalife.com. Palmera is one of the newest gated communities inside the popular master planned development of Wellen Park, located here on Florida's beautiful Gulf Coast near the towns of Sarasota and Venice in the Southwest Florida area. One of the main reasons so many people are relocating here is because you get this incredible combination of beautiful weather year-round, access to gorgeous Gulf beaches, resort-style communities, outdoor lifestyle with all sorts of activities among nature, new construction homes, and golf cart friendly living, which people really love. And there's also tons of restaurants, entertainment, trails, parks, and events happening nearby.
And of course, you're just minutes from places like downtown Wellen Park, Cool Today Park, the charming town of Venice, and some of Florida's best beaches. But what's really making Palmera stand out right now is the lifestyle inside the gates. This community was designed to feel like you're living at a luxury resort every single day.
One of the things buyers love about Palmera is the variety of builders and home styles available here. Right now, the builders in Palmera include Neil Communities, ICI Homes, David Weekley Homes, Homes by Town, MI Homes, and Madame Homes. So whether you're looking for a low-maintenance coach home, a townhome, or a single-family home, or maybe even a larger luxury-style residence with room for guests and entertaining, and there's even options if you want to design your own custom home in Palmera. You have all of these options available to you here.
Pricing can vary significantly depending on the builder, home site, size, and upgrades, but generally speaking, homes in here start around the high $300,000 range and it can go up to well over 1.3 million for the larger custom homes here in the community. And one thing we're especially excited about right now is that several builders are releasing brand new floor plans and model homes here in Palmera, giving you even more options to choose from so you can find just the right home that suits you and your family's needs.
Now, let's talk about some of the exciting new floor plans being released in Palmera. David Weekley Homes just released their new executive series here, and we've been anxiously awaiting this release for a while now. Their executive series offers even larger floor plans for families who want more space for their growing family, as well as entertaining guests, and even for those who work remotely and want more dedicated working areas.
These new floor plans include the Crab Creek and the Brindlin. The Crab Creek is their largest at 3,300 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms plus a flex room, 3 to 4 bathrooms, and a half bath as well, and it is a 3-car garage. They do have a beautiful Crab Creek model that just opened up, and we were walking in it just the other day with clients to showcase their new series.
It really is a spacious home, and we'll be getting our video model tour up here on YouTube very soon, so stay tuned for that.
The Crab Creek currently has a base price in the upper $800,000 range and will go up from there, depending on the lot you choose and the design choices you make inside the home. They also have a new Brindlin floor plan at roughly 3,200 square feet. That floor plan has a 4-bedroom plus a flex room, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage. Yes, 4 cars, which is a rare find here in these planned communities. The base price for this plan starts at around the mid $800,000 range, but as of today, they do have a quick move-in option for this home that will be ready here in June. We'll give you the details on that home in just a moment.
These homes offer larger layouts, open entertaining spaces, beautiful kitchens, flexible rooms, and that indoor-outdoor Florida lifestyle that so many buyers want when relocating here to Florida.
And over with MI Homes, they recently released their brand new sanctuary model, which has been super popular already. In fact, we actually helped one of our clients secure a fantastic quick move-in sanctuary home here in Palmera just before it was gone.
This is a wonderful floor plan that we really love. At over 3,000 square feet, it features some great flexibility with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, and a split 3-car garage. We also really love the huge primary suite that feels like its own retreat. The large walk-in pantry area is also great, and they have some really great luxury options, including an appliance pantry that you can customize, as well as an eye-catching wine cellar option.
And another exciting update, MI Homes has now released townhomes in Palmera with multiple floor plans to choose from, including some unique courtyard options. This gives buyers another more affordable entry point into this incredible community. So if you've been waiting for more variety and larger floor plan options, now is a really exciting time to take another look at Palmera.
And definitely stay tuned here because we'll be releasing the full model home tours for all of these new floor plans here soon on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. Keep in mind that in Palmera, you may choose a lot to build from scratch, but some of these builders are offering quick move-in options. In fact, sometimes quick move-in homes can be some of the best deals in the community. Quick move-in homes are inventory homes that the builder has under construction, and you can buy them while they are in progress or even finished. This makes it a much easier, straightforward process, and you can move in faster and start enjoying all that Palmera has to offer.
Here are some of the great quick move-in home options currently available in Palmera at Wellen Park. Remember, these homes are here today but can very easily be gone later today or tomorrow. So let us know if you have any questions or are interested in any of these homes. David Weekley has a handful of quick move-in homes that are either ready now or will be ready in the next couple of months. They have 2 Fishbeck floor plans that are ready now, and they're even rolling out special promotional finance rates of 3.99% for those who qualify. They also have a Wagner that is ready now with the same financing promotion available at 3.99% for those who qualify. They also have 2 Colston models that are under construction now. One will be ready in August. This has a 4-car tandem garage being offered for $849,000. And they have another beautiful Colston that will be ready in September on a lake with a gorgeous pool and spa being offered for $1,084,000. This is a great home with a huge 4-car garage and beautiful outdoor area. And they also will have a Borelli that will be ready in September being offered for $839,000. Lastly, David Weekley has one of their new executive floor plans available as a quick move-in right now, and it should be ready towards the end of June. The Brindlin has a 4-bedroom plus a study, as well as a separate retreat area too, and a 4-car garage. This home also has a beautiful pool as well as an extra pool bath. It's being offered currently right now at $1,329,000. MI Homes only has townhomes available as quick move-ins right now, because I actually just helped a family snag their last quick move-in single family home. A few of the townhomes are ready now, while others will be finished soon. They range in the price tag of $350,000 and can go up to around $550,000 depending on the floor plan and location. Neal Communities has 7 quick move-in homes available right now for purchase, including a Patriot model, a couple of Dream models which are super popular, 2 Heritage models, and 2 Vision models. All of these are still under construction and range in the price tag of around mid $500,000 range and can go up into the high $600,000 range. And they are also offering incentives such as special interest rate and buy down rates as well. Remember, incentives can always change. So to get the most up-to-date information on what they are offering, please give me a call, text, or email, and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Amenity Homes also has a handful of quick move-in coach homes in Palmera as well. They are completed now and ready to move in. These coach homes range in the price tag from low $400,000 range, and they can go up into the mid $500,000 range depending on the floor plan and its location.
Coach homes are a unique type of home that is treated more like a condo, but it lives like a larger single-family home, and they have attached garages. For more details, watch our video all about coach homes, and you can check out our Palmera coach home model tours too, so you can see what these homes actually feel like as if you're walking through them. Okay, now let's talk about what everyone's been waiting for. The Palmera Resort amenities are officially open.
And we actually attended the grand opening celebration recently, and wow, they absolutely did this right. It truly felt like the unveiling of a luxury resort.
The amenity campus here is beautiful and really elevates the lifestyle experience inside Palmera. You've got this gorgeous clubhouse with elegant, modern finishes and plenty of indoor gathering space for residents and social events. There are gathering rooms, dining and event areas, a coffee bar area, and plenty of lounging spaces. We personally loved the high ceiling and nautical touches, including some of the chandeliers that looked like real coral. The resort-style pool area is stunning, with lush tropical landscaping all around, and residents will enjoy the shallow sun decks and submerged benches for socializing, lap lanes for exercises, and a zero-entry area with fountains that provide a soothing soundscape. There's seating areas all around, including shaded areas for lounging, and an outdoor restaurant and bar area, all providing an elevated, true vacation atmosphere that you're looking for here in Southwest Florida.
They even have an indoor golf simulator space, which is such a fun and unique amenity that you don't see in every community. The fitness center is impressive too, complete with state-of-the-art workout equipment, weights, and a separate studio space planned for fitness and wellness classes.
And of course, you've got a number of pickleball courts with open play, classes, and competitive events. There's also a custom playground area the kids will love, as well as a wonderful large event lawn that is the perfect spot to host community and social events such as concerts, family festivals with food trucks, and more. This is exactly the type of active, social, resort-style life that so many people are moving to Wellen Park for.
A lot of buyers don't realize this, The builder sales team works for the builder and not for you. That's where I come in as your realtor. I represent your best interests throughout the entire process. And the good news is, builders here in Palmera are currently covering buyer agent compensation fees, which means you can have me as your expert representation and guidance on your side without additional out-of-pocket costs to you. Another big misconception is that buyers somehow get a better deal by going directly to the builder without a realtor, and that's just simply not true. Builders already have budgets for outside realtors as part of their marketing, and they actually want to work with experienced agents who know the community, understand the process, and help transactions go smoothly. In fact, most new construction buyers in Wellen Park choose to have their own realtor representing them. And honestly, if you have a good and experienced realtor like myself, it just makes the whole experience so much better.
We've helped so many families relocate and build new homes here in Wellen Park, including some of the very first residents in Palmera.
And right now we have clients who are closing on homes in Palmera, going under contract, in the middle of construction, and relocating here from all over the country. As a new construction specialist with a background in land development, I'm extremely hands-on throughout the process, which is actually what sets me apart from all other agents. And that's part of the reason I have such a fantastic relationship and reputation with the builders here. Just ask about me.
The families we work with especially love having someone local here keeping an eye on everything for them, particularly when they're moving from out of state. Experience really matters in real estate, but especially when it comes to new construction.
So having the right realtor on your side can make the entire process smoother, less stressful, and more enjoyable. And it can help protect your investment. And if you check out our reviews, you'll quickly see why so many buyers consider us the most trusted and recommended real estate agent for Wellen Park and the Venice area.
So if you've been thinking about building or buying in Wellen Park, Palmera is definitely a community you should have on your radar right now. Between the brand new amenities that just opened and the resort lifestyle offered here, to all of the different home options and price points to choose from, including those newly released floor plans, it's easy to see why so many buyers who are interested in moving to Wellen Park are excited about the Palmera community.
If you like help exploring Palmera and comparing all the builders, touring homes, models, or learning the building process here in Wellen Park, please feel free to reach out to us. You can call, text, or email me at any time. We're so excited to hear from you and help you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about.
And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button for the video and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to hit that notification bell because we've got a lot more Wellen Park and Venice, Florida content, including community tours, model home tours, relocation guides, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.